Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Caps Lock Key Stuck Easy Solution Windows 11. First method is type on screen keyboard in Windows search bar, click on screen keyboard. Type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Type any word. Click Caps Lock key. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Typing, click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click Language Bar Options, click Advanced Key Settings. Press the Shift key, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.